How to find birthday settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click this 3 points and then click edit profile, and after that scroll down until you find personal info. And as you see here you will find birthday, and here you can manage it. Just click on it and you can change it, and I hope that can help you. Then just click the save icon here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.